So, you had it since the 70s then, did you?
Yes,
This beautiful console? I
I'll
think
go
my
in
folks
and
had one of
show
those.
you the shop.
And yeah, it's baking today, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is.
Look at that. Nut and bolt rebuild?
Yes,
Must be.
yeah.
Yeah.
I did it in '93.
93, oh, it's done well, hasn't
Yeah,
it?
it has,
Yeah. And
yeah.
the interior is just beautiful.
Yeah, the
The
interior.
interior's as good as the outside,
the
isn't it?
interior's been restored.
Yeah.
It's just cotton back vinyl. It was restored
Yeah.
to as near as original to the
Yeah.
original colour.
Oh, it's just stunning.
Door cards are original.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Phew. And is it not? I mean, presumably you're really into it. You're in the club and everything. Is it nice to drive as it is to look
it's
at?
lovely to drive.
Yeah,
it is.
yeah.
If you take into consideration it's a 60-year-old car now, so it drives like a 60-year-old car. But
It's unusual. It's sort of
yeah, that's right. The star flashes. Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
the star.
Yeah.
Lovely. I mean, it's just, you can see a lot of cars with good paint jobs, but inside and everything else can be let down. This is just good wherever you look, isn't it?
That's
And I'm
right,
sure it's as good underneath, is it?
Oh yeah. You wanted to have a look under, you'd be surprised.
Yes, I'm sure I probably wouldn't be, actually. This is a prestigious owner who's really looked after this car. Wow. Oh yeah, lovely. Oh, crumbs. It's like new. Better than new, probably, isn't it? Oh, love the windscreen washer bowl.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Oh, that should be memory lane for some, won't it? When it gets on
that's
Max
right.
machines, yeah.
Yes.
Ford Consul, eh?
Yeah.
Sure.
That's right.
Really cool plate as well. Plate must be
Yeah,
worth a
that's
bob,
right.
bob or two. Look at the wing mirrors. Beautiful. Oh well, thanks for letting us film it, and I'm sure plenty will enjoy seeing this on the YouTube. Cheers.
And what one is that on?
Max Machines.
Max.
Max.